Now, there are some properties of this which I'll discuss. So out of that, my first property is, you should understand that when you do A cross B, that is A bar cross B bar, you should write here also A bar B bar. So now A bar cross B bar is not equal to B bar cross A bar. So when you do that, that means if you want to write this, you need to write in such a way that A bar cross B bar is equal to minus of B bar cross A bar. So that is in opposite direction, there will be a minus sign outside. So this is one of the property. Now second is, when vectors A and B are parallel, let's say when vectors A and B are parallel, if they are parallel, that means I can say that your theta will be nothing but 0 degree, or you can say as 180 degree. Now when theta is 0 degree, so that means I can say here, if I write now A bar cross B bar, so I will be writing AB sine 0 n. So that gives me A bar cross B bar is nothing but 0. Now my third property is, when vectors are orthogonal, so you can say as orthogonal or perpendicular. So when vectors are orthogonal, so let's take a vector that ijk. Now students, you know ijk, they follow each other. That means when you write here, I'll just make a circle for your understanding. This is my I bar, J bar and K bar. These three of them are perpendicular to each other. So when you do cross product of I bar and J bar, you get the third vector, that is K bar. Since I have took unit vector, so they are perpendicular. So if you keep it here also, that becomes I bar, J bar and sine 90. So I bar, magnitude of I bar will be 1, magnitude of J bar will be 1 and sine 90 will be 1. So it will be landing with the third perpendicular vector. So the third perpendicular vector will be nothing but K. So next is, if you do here J bar cross K bar, so J and cross will be giving me I bar, and the third is K bar cross I bar, it will give me J. Now if suppose you reverse it, that means suppose I write here J bar cross I bar. Now J bar cross I bar will be nothing but minus K bar. So that will be perpendicular to the opposite sign. So here next is, I can write similar, K bar cross J bar will be equal to minus of I bar. Third is I bar cross K bar will be equal to minus J bar. Now this is one of the important property which we will be using in many problems. Now how to find basically? So for that I need to define my vector. So let's say I have a vector A bar, that is A1i plus A2j plus A3k, and B bar as B1i plus B2j plus B3k. Now when you want to find A bar cross B bar, it can be found by, I can write, I'll be getting I J K, and now it is determinant of A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. So in this way you can find vector product. Thank you for watching video on in 5 minutes.